Okay, today I'm going to do the artwork, the demonstration using a pencil, which is a 2B pencil, as you can see there. I use a 2B pencil to do the underdrawing. Keen, as you know, always keen on the underdrawing. And this is just a little idea of a person who's out and about. Is obviously a cartoon person. We're not going for any kind of realism here. This is how I like them, like this. A little round nose, my kind of trademark, if you like. There's a sort of unknown drama going on here because he's looking behind him. Yeah, we're not sure what it is that he can't see, but he's certainly expecting something, and he's kind of shuffling off somewhere. I'm trying to give contour here so that I can keep it in my mind what direction everything's going in. So look at these lines. I can just go over them again like that. It gives a contour like on a relief map. Simple hands. Because this arm here is forward, the leg on that side, on the same side, will be back, like this. Because that's how humans walk as a general rule. I have seen others who do it slightly differently and they always look odd. So now we'll give him this, he's stepping out a bit, a crease on the back of his trousers here, or pants if you prefer. Give him his shoe. There's the rest of his body. And there, the arm behind is just a shadow, because we don't need to draw every part of the body. We haven't drawn every finger, we won't draw every toe, and we don't try and draw every hair on the head. So this is the character, this is how he is. Now, do we... Yeah, I think we can probably give this chap a bit of a underside to his shoe, like that. And now I'm going to use, this is a Kuretake brush pen. There's a fairly small nib on this one, but it operates somewhere between a paintbrush and an ink pen in terms of the way the nib, if you like, behaves, the brush end of it. It gives a nice expressive line. Now, if I was doing this digitally, because here I am drawing over the pencil marks, and I would instantly just hide the pencil marks. But with this, you wait until your ink has dried, and that can be much longer than you think. Certainly, test it. But you wait until your ink has dried, and then you take an eraser and get rid of the pencil marks. So here we are. Give him a little bit of a crease in his sleeve there. Here you are, like this. The hand is a very simple affair. It's almost like doing a mitten, but there's somebody looking at it doesn't say, oh, that's a bit of a rubbish hand, because you just take it for what it is. Just take it for what it is. There you go. The arm at the back, like that. We'll just block that in, as because it's in shadow behind there, and we don't need the detail of it anyway. Give him a little bit of a knee on his trousers. I hope you're getting the idea of how straightforward this can be when you get a bit of practice in, and just keep drawing these things. Keep doing them all the time. Yeah, you'll probably never see a simpler nor faster representational drawing of a chap out walking. Well, walking away from something, as we can see, because he's just a bit concerned, isn't he? So we'll give him little lines for movement like this. And maybe we'll make him look a little bit nervous by giving him always an odd number of droplets. Whatever you're doing that sort of could be counted, try and make them be in odd numbers. That's the important thing. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole business of erasing everything. You'll get used to that yourself. But we'll ground him, give him a little bit of a shadow here, just so that you can see that he's walking on something. Put a couple of little stones here like that. And maybe a thing, to show he's outdoors. He's not in a building or anything. So a little bit of grass. And there you are. Simple cartoon man, pencil and Kuretake pen. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Kuretake, but Kuretake, if you watch this, give me a shout. I'm sure we can come to some sort of an arrangement. There you are. Thank you very much for watching.